Meets his new brother, and I think his brother's giving him a run for his money. Cooper's like, I'm tired. I'm tired. He's tired. Oh, he's looking for a place to go pee.
No, I think he went pee outside.
He did? There he is. Hello. What you think, Coop? What you think?
What is that?
He's like a little spur ball. Cooper's like, He's in those rocks. Go get him, Cooper. What is it? Oh, yeah. That's funny. There he is. He's biting Cooper's ear? I want to see him bark.